Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Preeda Gluta Fast Cream. First, ensure your skin is completely clean and dry. It's always wise to do a quick patch test on a small, inconspicuous area, like your inner arm, to check for any sensitivities. Once ready, dispense just a small, pea-sized amount of cream onto your fingertips. This ensures you don't overapply and allows for even distribution. Now, let's talk about application. Using your fingertips, gently massage the cream into your skin. Work in soft, upward, and circular motions, ensuring the product is fully absorbed. Pay special attention to any areas you wish to brighten or even out. Remember, a light touch is key to avoid pulling or stretching your skin, allowing the cream to work effectively. For optimal results, apply Preeda Gluta Fast Cream once or twice daily, depending on your skin's needs and sensitivity. Consistency is crucial for seeing improvements. During the day, always follow up with a broad-spectrum sunscreen, as brightening products can increase sun sensitivity. Also, remember to store your cream in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight to maintain its potency. Finally, remember that achieving brighter, more even-toned skin takes time and consistency. Be patient, as results typically become noticeable over several weeks of regular use. If you experience any irritation, redness, or discomfort, discontinue use immediately and consult a dermatologist. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals, to help you stay organized and healthy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.